everyone, today we're going to learn about the scheduled send feature in Gmail. So you can just go to your compose button and fill in the required details as required. Obviously I've kept something filled in, it still doesn't make a lot of sense, but I kept it ready. So if you hover your mouse over the send button, there's a small drop down kind of a arrow beside it, which says more send options. And I don't know why it says options because there's just one more option. So you can go to the scheduled send from here. I don't know why it's kept so cryptic and hidden, but this is a very useful feature. So you can pick a date and time separately, or you can go with the suggestions which appear on the screen. So what I would want is I can just pick a separate time for me. By default, it shows 1 hour ahead of what time it actually is on your laptop or your system. So I'm gonna go for 12. If it's showing that I'll have to go with 56 or 7. You need to have a minimum gap of like 5 minutes from the current time. Otherwise, the time will show as an invalid option. So I can schedule the send for this time. And you can see the small alert appearing here, which says you can undo the send or you can view the message. So what happens once you do this is there's another line item added here by the name of scheduled, and if you open that you can see the mail which is still scheduled to be sent. So the main feature which is very so the main advantage of this feature is basically that you can undo your send or cancel your send even right before your message gets sent. Like, even if you keep your undo thing on for a max of 30 seconds, you might sometimes just mess up and you're not sure about something, but you want to keep it scheduled. So that helps you a lot. And again, one more point to note is that the laptop does not need to be on, or your laptop does not need to be connected to the internet. Once it's been scheduled for this time, it will just go on this time from the server itself. So not like you need to be on the laptop for it to happen. So I can also cancel the send anytime, and once I cancel it, it automatically gets converted into a draft again. But obviously I can again edit it and schedule it for some other time, which I'm gonna do since I have to kill some time in the video. So it again appears here in this line item, which previously didn't exist. So that's all for the schedule send feature. I hope you guys found this video useful. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.